Hey, this is Patrick Sullivan. Welcome to my shop. I made a breakthrough discovery this past year. If you spend hours in your shop, bend over your work, your back will ultimately complain. When the complaints from my back became loud enough, I decided to try to change the way I work. Like many woodworkers, the work surfaces in my shop are about the same height as kitchen counters. That is about 34 to 36 inches, or about 85 to 90 centimeters. This worked well for early 20th century housewives who needed to chop, cut, and stir to make dinner. However, if you're not 5'2" and you are not baking a cake, but are working with small components, this height might result in big league back strain. A 6-foot person will typically lean forward between 60 and 70 degrees from the vertical, forcing the back muscles to hold up to a third of your weight. Something like holding a bowling ball out at arm's length for an hour. It's at least tiring, if not painful. Raising the work surface can make a huge difference. After some trial and error, I found that increasing the surface height by about 8 inches transformed the way I work. I was standing much more erect, and I could see my marks and cut lines more clearly. I'm 6 feet tall, and I made the bench top 8 inches above the 35-inch height of my work table. For me, this seems to be a good height for sharpening, light planing, gluing, carving, light chisel work, and most assembly tasks. My strong advice to you is to test different heights to find out what works for you. Make a quick and dirty plywood box out of scrap wood held together with a few screws, or even a heavy cardboard box, and test out the proposed height. Mock up some of the tasks you'll want to do, and see if the height feels comfortable or awkward. It's easy to raise it up a little with blocks of wood or books, and if it seems too tall, take it apart and cut it down. You'll save yourself a lot of effort in the long run. I just used an old plywood box at first, but it was so successful that I decided to make a small workbench to replace the box. Let me show you what resulted.